Today is the most important day because I changed my camera from this to this. Oh, what is here? Let me show it. Yes, I'm switching cameras. No more shooting in the cell phone. It is easy but kind of tough. But going forward, all the movies will be on this one. For whomever new to this particular channel and you're watching my video for the first time, I am Govardhanan Yesukrishnan, and what I do, I make YouTube videos. So what camera I got? It is Canon 80D. Okay, so coming back, until now whatever videos that I have made, I was making with the help of a Samsung J7, which is an Android phone. Things were easy but kind of very much restricted, and I was thinking about it for a while whether I should get a camera, because like I don't know what I'm going to do really, whether this investment is worth or not. I was thinking a lot, and then I came to a conclusion, okay, let us pull the trigger, let us go ahead and get a camera. So until now everything was okay, and this is into a new experience now because I'm moving from a phone to a camera. And the real problem with the phone that I was facing is like I should be very mindful of how it captures me every time it does. Like I have to run behind to see if everything is okay, and I do not have this particular screen because the camera has a screen with it. So to just put it in very few points, with phone I was concentrating more on how to make it, but with the camera I can focus more on the content because this camera Canon 80D has a auto option. I'm nowhere a kind of a techie with the camera. There is a auto mode because like in auto mode the camera takes care of everything. I just want to switch it on, off, that's it. Everything else, the camera is enough intelligent, I can concentrate on my content. And the second important thing that the camera makes my life easy is it's less stressful. What was happening is like when I was doing my videos with my with my phone, it was so much stressful. Like I have to always be mindful of what I'm making. I have to be very cautious whether the phone is capturing all the contents in a good way, all those kind of things. But with camera everything is going to be easy, very easy. And as I told, this camera I just got the body from eBay, and I did not get the kit lens with it, and I ordered kit lens from Amazon. So not the kit lens, I ordered two different lens. One is the Nifty 50 and the other one is the wide angle lens. So this is the wide angle view of the 10-18mm lens. So see how wide it can see behind me. So I'm just zooming in now. It's sunny, and I'm zooming out now. You see how wide it can see? You can see so long. So all these things that I'm doing is with a 10-18mm lens. Now let us switch to the other one that I have. That is the Nifty 50-50mm lens. And this is what happened when I tried to just vlog using a 50mm. It is so close that I'm just able to see me in this much close-up, and nobody wants to see anyone in this much close-up. But this is the use of this 50mm. It is more kind of a portrait photo lens than a wide angle. So I don't use this maximum. I don't use this for any kind of vlogging, but this is the kind of effect that I'm getting from a 50mm. See how close it is? It is showing so much of details. The kind of easiness the camera gives over the phone is so much that you can just concentrate on the content, on the video that you are making, instead of all other factors like will the light be properly adjusted, or like the other factors like am I doing, like is the camera taking care of all the things. With a phone, the main problem is you have to worry about each and everything, because once you move out of the frame, then like it will be like too much of things. That is what I felt over the past 10 videos. I felt like I was concentrating more on the phone itself. And one other important thing is the phone doesn't have a flip out screen like a 80D has, and in 80D I can really see what the camera is recording in front of me. But with the phone, you have to, still we can do it, but there is a workaround, but it is not that much comfortable for outdoor shooting and all those kind of things. So hence I moved from a phone into a camera for shooting purpose.